Today I'm just going to do some quick chair repair. So one of these bars that goes across here broke, and then the other one was dry, the glue dried eventually and fell out. So this one's perfectly good, I can get it back in there, but I'll have to cut a new one for here. But first I got to get this old piece out of there. Okay, got the old nail out. If it wasn't loose, I'd have to drill it out, but since it's loose, this piece of glue, I'm going to be able to get it out of there, which is even better. But if the glue is still holding this dowel, you'd have to drill this out. And all I did was find a drill the same size as a dowel. There it goes. If you don't do this repair, you're going to end up with bigger problems up here where it connects to the seat itself. You'll break a leg off. By having that one in, we know exactly where this needs to be, so we can see how long this one has to be. This is not the saw I use. I'm just going to use a simple saw like this that I already have in the house. Alright, so I got that cut off, so I went and pulled this one back out and got these ready to go. And what I'm going to do now is get glue on the ends of them, put it back in, and then pull the whole thing together. Use the clamp to hold it until it dries, and this chair will be as good as new without any further, more serious damage. So I do have to sand this one down, this dowel. It looks like it's exactly the same, and it's very close, but it's just a hair bit too big, and it doesn't really want to fit in the hole. I mean, it does go, it does start, but it's really, really tight, and there's no way I'll be able to get it in where it needs to go. So we're going to sand it a little bit, and then we'll be good to go. So I got some glue on here. Get that one there. I'm going to go and take some of this glue that I got them both in. Basically what I'm going to do now is just pull it in, and I don't want to do so much of that, so I'll have to use the clamp. Really should use a pad or something on each side of this so it doesn't damage it, but we'll be alright. Oh, there we go. Alright, so that's squeezed in. Now you want to just take a minute with a wet paper towel or something. Wipe off any loose glue. Alright, after that, all you really want to do is let it sit. This will be good to go. Good to go in an hour. Best if you could wait overnight. Thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. Please like, subscribe, comment, come back often for more videos. And as always, have a great day.